Welcome back, boys and girls. We're going to go ahead and get started on our Go Math lesson 18.8. So let's go there right now. Today we're getting started on metric units for mass. Now, our objective is mirror. I can measure mass in metric units. Mirror off. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to start by unlocking the problem here. So I'm going to go ahead and write read, draw, write. So Peter has a dollar bill in his pocket. Should Peter measure the mass of the dollar bill in grams or kilograms? So I already read the problem. I need to figure out if Peter should measure the mass of the dollar bill in grams or kilograms. I'm going to go ahead and draw my dollar bill. I'm just going to put a 1 there because I know it's a dollar bill. Now let me go ahead and read this. So the grams is the basic metric unit for measuring mass, or the amount of matter in an object. Mass can also be measured by using the metric unit, kilogram. Now, if we look over here, boys and girls, at our anchor chart, we have a milligram, which is about the weight of one little tiny grain of salt. We have a gram. It is about the weight of a sugar packet. And over here, it says it's about the weight of a paper clip. So a sugar packet and a paper clip kind of weigh the same thing. And then we have a kilogram. So a kilogram is about the weight of 2 pineapples. That would also be equivalent to about the weight of 1,000 paper clips. So let's think about it. The mass of a dollar bill is closer to the mass of a small paper clip than it is to a box of 1,000 paper clips. So, should Peter measure the mass of the dollar bill in, would it be kilograms or grams? Yes, he would definitely use grams. I'm just going to put gram there. Now, let's go ahead and do activity 1. So, it says, do 10 grams have the same mass as 1 kilogram? So I know that 10 grams, it's probably like 10 little paper clips because the paper clips say each one is 1 gram each. So I'm going to go ahead and have paper clips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 paper clips. Now I know 1 kilogram is a box of 1,000 paper clips. So I'm going to put there 1,000 paper clips. So I know my 10 paper clips would be way lighter than the box of 1,000 paper clips because it's only 10 paper clips, 10 grams here. And then we have almost 1,000 grams of paper clips here. So complete the picture of the balance above. So we drew that. Now, the balance is not equal. So I'm going to go ahead and write there, not equal. So 10 grams and 1 kilogram blank the same mass. Do they have the same mass or do they not have the same mass? Correct, they do not have the same mass. Activity number 2. Since we don't have balances, boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and just use the objects that we have written down here to decide if they should be measured in grams or kilograms. Now, the first one we have is a crayon. Now, if I think about it, I know that a gram is about the packet of sugar, and kilograms about 2 pineapples. So I think I would definitely weigh a crayon in grams. So I'm going to go ahead and put gram there. Next, I have a stapler. So it depends what stapler. There's little ones. Let's go with the little stapler that we have. So again, I know that a gram is about the weight of a sugar packet, and a kilogram is 2 pineapples. Pineapples are pretty heavy. They're like a pound each. So I know a stapler, I would definitely have to go with gram too. Now, our next thing, we have a marker. So think of a marker. You put it in your hand. Would we measure it in grams or kilograms? If I know grams are the weight of a sugar packet, and kilograms are 2 pineapples, about the weight of 2 pineapples. What do you think? I would definitely go with gram too. Now scissors. I know scissors are a little heavier than the objects that we have, but are they as heavy as 2 pineapples? I don't think so. So what would I use to weigh the scissors? Yes, I would use a gram too. Let's go ahead and look at number 1. It says 5 bananas have a mass about... So if I look at my balance here, I know they're equal. So I think 1 kilogram is equal to 5 bananas. And then my little thing also says the pan balance is balanced, so the objects on both sides have the same mass. So 5 bananas equal to 1 kilogram. Let's go on to the next one. Choose the unit you would use to measure the mass, write gram or kilogram. Strawberry is the first one. A strawberry is not as heavy as 2 pineapples. It's a little heavier than a sugar packet. So I would definitely go with grams because it might be several grams. Now you guys are going to do number 3 and 4 by yourselves. We're going to go over number 6 together. So we know that it's a hard question and it's a multi-step. Now before I go ahead and do it, I'm going to go ahead and write. Read, draw, and write. 1 golf ball has a mass of about 46 grams. Mrs. Downs bought a box of 2 golf balls for her first round of golf and bought another 2 golf balls for the second round of golf. What is the total mass of the golf balls that Mrs. Downs bought? Represent your steps to solve the problem. So I already read it. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw it. Now, the first thing I know she did was she bought a box of 2 golf balls. So I'm going to draw a box of golf balls, and there's 2 golf balls. Now, I know that each golf ball is 46 grams. So I'm going to write 46 grams, and this one's also 46 grams. Now, let's continue. And then she bought another box of 2 golf balls for the second round of golf. So I know she bought another one. That golf ball is 46 grams. This golf ball is 46 grams. Now let's look at our question carefully. What is the total mass of the golf balls that Mrs. Downs bought? So I already drew it. Let me go ahead and figure it out. So I know she bought total 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one is 46 grams. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of these 46s up to figure out how many grams were total. So I know I have 46 plus 46. Let me do that first. 6 plus 6 is 12. I carry the 1 to regroup. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So I know right here she had 92. And right here she also had 92 grams. Now I need to add that 92 plus the 92. So 92 plus 92. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So the total is 184 grams. So that's what I'm going to write. So the total mass of the golf balls that Mrs. Downs bought is 184 grams. You guys are going to go ahead and do the rest by yourselves. You're not going to do number 8 because we don't have a balance to go ahead and measure them. So you're not going to do that. Make sure you do 5, 7, 9. Make sure you also do 10, 11, 12, and 13.